Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Monday 7th of January with me, Rich Pro-Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Having a look at cable now, which rallied decisively on Friday. Again, I sort of showed you on Eurodollar the reaction to payrolls and then subsequently Powell on Friday. Look at this, we've got sort of decline on cable initially, not a huge amount on the payrolls report. But then we subsequently saw quite a significant rebound into the close, and it's held on to that those recovery gains and sort of fluctuated around a bit today. But certainly the outlook is still pretty solid, given the fact that we had that flash crash on Thursday. So there's been a very choppy period of trading for cable, but certainly the bulls have not sort of gone quietly into the night quite yet, and subsequently we're sort of fairly much ranging really. It's a choppy range, I think you could argue, but certainly doesn't really suggest that we're going to be breaking decisively higher, because every time the market sort of comes towards that 28 figure area it sort of falls over, and yeah, it's that is the concern that you would have near term. But I mean, you look at the momentum indicators, what's that, 40, mid-40s up towards mid-50s. It's very, ultimately sort of taking a step back. It's actually a very quiet period for cable. I mean, the intraday volatility, yes, is still quite elevated, but ultimately on a closing basis, on a net basis, there's not really a great deal of sort of direction to speak of. And subsequently we're waiting really for the breakout. Momentum indicators, as I said, sort of have actually tipped back higher again, so you're looking fairly solid there, but you'd need to see, I think, a decisive break above 28 figure to really suggest that we're sort of gaining traction to the upside, and then again below 26 figure on a closing basis. That would be a multi-week closing low, and then sort of reopen the 24.75 lows. I mean, I'm not really counting that flash crash move that we saw from Thursday last week in thin traded markets. So yeah, we're looking for that. But on the hourly chart, there's not a great deal of direction really, with the market just sort of rolling over, losing a bit of upside impetus. There's a move above 27, so 26.60 to 27 figure, which are these kilos from August and then into October, November, and subsequently that should be a basis of support initially. So look out for that, but ultimately I don't think you're getting too much direction until you get really decisive closing breakout above 28 figure and below 26 figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. I'll speak to you later.